Sada tad bhava bhavita. Bhagavad Gita chapter 8 verse 6. Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tyajat yanti kalevaram tam tam evaiti kontaya sada tad bhava bhavita. Sada tad bhava bhavita. That bhav, that condition, that feeling, that emotion, that mood that you're always meditating on, sada tad bhava, sada tad bhava, that bhava, sada, that you're always cultivating, sada tad bhava bhavita, that will be, that you will attain. So when you give up this body, whatever you've been meditating on, you'll get. So now you're a man, and you say, "Oh, I'm a man. I'm a man. How can I meditate on a little 12-year-old gopi, a little delicate gopi?" It's not possible. Yes, it's possible. This is transcendental meditation. You meditate like that, you'll become a transcendental gopi, with a transcendental body made of prem, Satchidananda. Now you're meditating on your wife. You're a male, but you're meditating on the body of a woman, because you love her and you're attached to her. Okay, fine. No problem. But you continually meditate, sada tad bhava bhavita, the next life you will die. And if you're pious and fortunate, you'll get another human body. And what type of body will it be?
Female.
Female. So as you think, so you become. 8.6 Gita says, as you think, so you become. So as you think, I'm Manjri. I'm so-and-so Manjri. That's why this Abhiman is so important. I'm Krishna Das, Krishna Das, Krishna Das. That's nice. But there's 5 rasas. There's 4 rasas in the servants of Krishna.